If you're an interpreter who's interested in the legal settings, I highly recommend that you familiarize yourselves with court procedures, legal terminology, and courtroom etiquette. So first of all, you want to prepare yourself in advance, understand the specific case details, including the nature of the legal proceedings, the parties involved, and relevant documentation. As an interpreter, you may be required to take a sworn oath to interpret accurately and impartially before beginning the interpretation. During direct examination, the attorney will ask questions of their own witness, while cross-examination involves questioning the opposing parties. Witnesses, familiarize yourself with the processes to provide seamless interpretation. Legal terminology. Study and build a strong foundation of legal terminology in both the source and the target languages, which includes terms related to criminal law, civil law, family law, and other relevant areas. You want to also understand common legal documents such as pleadings, affidavits, subpoenas, and motions to accurately interpret their content. Follow the dress code requirements of the court, which typically involve formal business attire. Maintain a neutral and impartial stance during the proceedings. Avoid expressing personal opinions or emotions, as interpreters are meant to faithfully transmit message without being biased. You want to sit or stand in positions that allows you to clearly hear and see all parties involved, including the judge, attorneys, witnesses, and defendants. Pay attention to nonverbal cues such as gestures, facial expressions, and body language. Accurately convey these through your interpretation. Adhere to turn-taking rules and follow smooth communication. Maintain strict confidentiality by not discussing the case or any sensitive information outside the courtroom. It is crucial to contain and develop your knowledge. Consider attending legal interpreting training programs, workshops, and networking events. Remember, court procedures and etiquettes vary depending on the jurisdiction